Hi students, in this video I'm going to explain you exercise 7.3 of integration. Okay. First one, exercise 7.3. Integration of sine square 2x plus 5. See, all the problems are of trigonometric functions. So we have to apply some trigonometric formulas to do. Say it is sine square, we don't have any formula of sine square. So we convert this in terms of 1 minus cos 2a. Sine square a can be taken as 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So sine square theta, I write the formula here. Sine square a can be taken as 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So it becomes now 1 by 2 dx minus 1 by 2 integration of cos 4x plus 10 dx. Now it becomes 1 by 2 integration of 1 dx, it is x. Integration of cos is sine 4x plus 10 by 4. Okay. It looks like sine ax plus b, or so cos ax plus b. Integration of cos ax plus b will be sine ax plus b by a, like that. Right? Next question. Integration of sine 3x cos 4x. Here also I apply the formula like just multiply and divide with 2, so that it looks like always when I apply the formula of 2 cos a cos b, I think the bigger one as a, small one as b, 4x 3x. 2 cos a sin b. This is the formula of sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. So here a is 4x and b is 3x. So it becomes sin a plus b 7x minus sin a minus b sin x over. Now 1 by 2 into integration of sin will be minus cos 7x by 7 minus integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. So it becomes minus 1 by 14 cos 7x plus 1 by 2 cos x. Okay? See the third one. It is the product of three functions. Cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x dx. So we need to convert this into a sum or a difference of trigonometric functions. I do that. Say first of all multiply and divide with 2. I take the very big one and very small one, cos x, cos 6x and cos 2x. Write cos 4x away from this, so that we'll apply the formula for these two. What is the formula of 2 cos a cos b? It is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So it becomes cos a plus b 8x plus cos a minus b 4x into cos 4x dx. Now we send it inside cos 8x cos 4x plus cos square 4x. Again multiply and divide with 2 by 2. It becomes 1 by 4. 2 cos 8x cos 4x plus 2 cos square x. Again it looks like 2 cos a cos b. So it becomes cos a plus b 12x, cos a minus b 4x, and 2 cos square 4x. The formula of 2 cos square a is 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a. So it becomes 1 plus cos 2a means 8x. Now we do integration for this. So write 1 by 4 outside. Integration of cos 4x, 12x sin 12x by 12. It is sin 4x by 4. Integration of 1 dx is x. Integration of 1 dx is x. Integration of cos 8x is sin 8x by 8 plus c. See the fourth problem. Integration of sine cube 2x plus 1 dx. So how to evaluate sine cube something theta? I tell you. We have the formula of sine 3a. 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. From this what will be sine cube a? 4 sine cube a will be 3 sin A minus sin 3A. So you can take sin cube A as 3 by 4 sin A minus 1 by 4 sin 3A. So here A is 2x plus 1. So instead of this, what we can write? 3 by 4 sin A 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 4 sin 3A. 3 into this. It becomes 6x plus 3 dx. Now 3 by 4 integration of sin is minus cos 2x plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 integration of sin minus cos 6x plus 3 by 6 plus c. You can still simplify minus 3 by 8 cos 2x plus 1 plus 1 by 24 cos 6x plus 3 plus c. See the next question. Fifth one, integration of sin cube x cos cube x. For this, what we do? I tell you, multiply and divide with 8. Why only with 8? I tell you. Sin cube x cos cube x. Because if I multiply and divide with 8, you can write this as 2 sin x cos x whole cube. So that it becomes integration of sin 2x whole cube. That means integration of sin cube 2x. So according to the formula that we wrote in the previous problem, 1 by 8 you can write it as 3 by 4 sin A sin 2x, 1 by 4 sin 3A becomes sin 6x dx. Sin cube A you can write 3 by 4 sin A minus 1 by 4 sin 3A. So it becomes, send it inside, 3 by 32 integration of sin 2x minus cos 2x by 2 minus 1 by 32 integration of sin 6x minus cos 6x by 6 plus c. So it becomes minus 3 by 64 cos 2x plus 1 by 192 cos 6x plus c. You can change like converting this into cos 3 of 2x, and you can apply cos 3a formula also, but it is not required. You can leave like that. Sorry, forgot to switch on the video. See, sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. You can take it as the biggest and the least one, 2 sin 3x, sin x, and keep sin 2x outside. And it looks like 2 sin A, sin B. Formula of 2 sin A, sin B, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Now, you just take this sin 2x inside, and again apply the formula of here, 2 sin A, cos A. Again you multiply and divide with 2. 2 sin A cos A becomes 2 cos A sin B. Now it becomes sin 4x because 2 sin A cos A sin 2A. Now it looks like 2 cos A sin B. 2 cos A sin B. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So that's what I applied and applied the integration. Okay. Now see the seventh question. Integration of sin 4x sin 8x. Sin 4x sin 8x. You just multiply and divide with 2 to convert it into the formula 2 sin 8x. See, I told you whenever you are applying the formula, see that the bigger one is always A, smaller one is B. So 2 sin A sin B. Formula is cos of A minus B minus cos A plus B. So it becomes here cos 4x minus cos 12x dx. So integration of cos 4x is sin 4x by 4. Integration of cos 12x is sin 12x by 12 plus c. Eighth one, integration of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Here you can apply the formula of 2 sin square x by 2 in the numerator, 2 cos square x by 2 in the denominator. It becomes integration of tan square x by 2 dx. We don't have any formula for tan square. Whenever you see tan square, you convert it into terms of secant square minus 1 dx. So integration of secant square x by 2 is secant square ax, tan ax by a. So here a is 1 by 2, tan x by 2 by 1 by 2 minus x plus c. You can write it as 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus. See the ninth question. Integration of cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. For this, what I do is, it's better to add and subtract 1 in the numerator, 1 plus cos x dx, so that if you split this 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x minus 1 by 1 plus cos x dx, you can cancel this, it becomes 1. Integration of 1 dx is x. Integration of 1 by, I write this as 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So it becomes x minus 1 by 2 integration secant square x by 2 dx. So that becomes x minus 1 by 2 tan x by 2 by 1 by 2, because here it is a is 1 by 2. So x minus tan x by 2 plus c. Now look at the 10th question. Integration of sine power 4x. So you write it as sine square x whole square. But we know sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square dx. Again you expand this. So 1 by 4 outside, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Again you can write cos square x 2x as 1 plus cos 2 into 2x by 2. Because cos square a, you can write 1 plus cos 2a by 2 minus 2 cos 2x dx. Now if I split this 1 by 2 and 1 becomes 1 by 4 integration of 1 plus 1 by 2. So it becomes 1 by 4 integration of 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 4x minus 2 cos 2x dx. Now we split this. It becomes 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 4x 2 by 4 cos 2x dx. Now it becomes 3 by 8 integration of 1 dx is x. 1 by 16 it becomes sine 4x by 4. 2 by 16 into sine 2x by 2 plus c. You can cancel here and you can leave like that also. Okay? So 11th one also same model we do. Integration of cos power 4 2x. So we take cos square 2x whole square. So you can write it as 1 plus cos 4x by 2 whole square. 1 by 4 we write outside, we expand this. It becomes 1 plus cos square 4x plus 2 cos 4x dx. Integration of 1 plus again cos square a 1 plus cos 2a by 2 cos 4x dx. Again you can split this fraction. It becomes 1 by 4 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 8x plus 2 cos 4x dx. So 1 by 4 integration of 3 by 2 1 by 2 cos 8x plus 2 cos 4x dx. Now when you send 4 inside, 1 by 4 inside, 3 by 8x, 1 by 8 sine 8x by 8, 2 by 4 sine 4x by 4 plus c. Okay? Now see the 12th question. Integration of sine square x by 1 plus cos x. You can write the numerator like 1 minus cos square x by 1 plus cos x dx. And numerator looks like a square minus b square. You can write it as a minus b into a plus b by 1 plus cos x dx. So 1 plus cos x gets cancelled. Integration of 1 minus cos x dx. So integration of 1 dx is x. And integration of cos x is sin x plus. Okay? 13th one. Integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha. Here alpha is a constant. You have to treat it as a constant. So we do the formula in such a way. We have 4 formulas for cos 2a. So I apply the one where I get in terms of cos. 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha minus 1 by cos x minus cos alpha dx. This minus 1 and plus 1 gets cancelled. If I take 2 common, it becomes cos square x minus cos square alpha by cos x minus cos alpha dx. Again, it looks like a square minus b square. You can write it as a plus b cos x plus cos alpha into a minus b cos x minus cos alpha by cos x minus cos alpha dx. Now integration of cos x dx plus integration of cos alpha dx. So integration of cos x is sin x, but here cos alpha is constant. You should bring outside and you should write like integration of 1 dx. It becomes sin x plus x cos alpha plus c. Now look at the 14th problem. Integration of cos x minus sin x 1 plus sin 2x dx. How to take this? I tell you, numerator is cos x minus sin x. Denominator I can write cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x cos x. Why? 1 can be written like an identity. It becomes cos x minus sin x. Denominator becomes cos x plus sin x whole square dx. Now if I take this as t, let us take sin x plus cos x. Anything. Cos x plus sin x or cos x sin x minus cos x. T. If you differentiate this, it becomes cos x minus sin x dx is dt, which is there in the numerator. So the whole numerator becomes dt, 1 dt by t square. And integration of 1 by t square is, you can write t power minus 2 dt. It becomes t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 c. T power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. It becomes minus 1 by t plus c. What is t? Cos x minus sin x. Okay. See the 15th question. Integration of tan cube 2x into secant 2x. What I do here is, I take tan to square 2x into tan 2x secant 2x dx, so that if I take tan 2x as t, when you differentiate, no, not tan 2x as t. I still write this tan square as secant square 2x minus 1 into secant 2x tan 2x dx. Why? If I take secant 2x as t, it becomes secant 2x into tan 2x into 2 dx is dt when you take differentiation. So it becomes when you differentiate. But it is not there, only secant 2x tan 2x is there with us. Tan 2x dx is there. It becomes dt by 2. So the question becomes integration of t square minus 1 dt by 2. So it becomes t cube by 3 minus t plus c. So what is t? T is secant 2x. Secant cube 2x by 3 minus secant 2x plus c. See the 16th question. Integration of tan power 4x. You can write it as tan square x into tan square x. Don't write whole square, it is better to write. Because when I write tan square x into tan square, it becomes secant square x minus 1 if you take. So it becomes tan square x into secant square x dx minus integration of tan square x dx. Now, when I take tan square x as t, tan x as t, secant square x dx becomes dt here. So it becomes t square dt. But here, whenever you have the formula of integration of tan square, we write in terms of secant square x minus 1 dx. Now here it becomes t cube by 3 minus integration of secant square x is tan x minus of minus plus x plus c. What is t? T is tan x. So it becomes tan cube x by 3 minus tan x plus c. See the 17th question. Integration of sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin square x into cos square x dx. So what I do is I split this. So sin cube x by sin square x cos square x dx plus cos cube x by sin square x cos square x dx. One of them gets cancelled. Here gets cancelled. What is left? Sin by cos square. Sin by cos square I can write secant x tan x. And here cos by sin square x cosecant x cot x. So integration of secant x tan x is secant x. Integration of cosecant x cot x is minus cosecant x plus c. 18th one. Integration of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x. So you can make use of the formula cos 2a. I write 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x dx. These two gets cancelled. It becomes secant square x dx. The whole thing becomes tan x plus c. Now look at the 19th question. Integration of 1 by sin x into cos cube x. It looks a little different. So sin and cos cube in the denominator. So what to do? So if I multiply and divide with something like secant square x, it happens like multiply and divide with secant power 4x is better here. I'll tell you why. Secant power 4x by sin x cos cube x secant power 4x dx. Cos cube and 1 secant cube gets cancelled because it becomes 1. Sin into secant x become secant square x into secant square x by sin x by cos x into sin x you can write. So instead of secant square I write 1 plus tan square x by tan x into secant square x dx. So in this, when you take tan x as t, secant square x dx become dt. The whole problem become 1 plus t square by t dt. So when you split this 1 by t dt, t square by t dt. So it becomes log mod t plus t square by 2 plus c. Log mod tan x. So 1 by 2 tan square x plus c. Or if you look at the 20th question, integration of cos 2x by cos x plus sin x whole square dx. In the numerator instead of cos 2x I write cos square x minus sin square x by cos x plus sin x whole square dx. The numerator looks like a square minus b square. We write cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x whole square dx. So one of the cos x plus sin x gets cancelled. Now take cos x plus sin x as t minus sin x plus cos x dx is dt, which is there in the numerator. The whole problem becomes 1 by t dt. Answer will be log mod t, log mod cos x plus sin x plus c. See 21, integration of sin inverse of cos x. What we do? When you have outside sin inverse and inside sin cos, I can write cos as sin pi by 2 minus x dx. Now you can cancel sin inverse and sin because it is in our domain. Integration of pi by 2 minus x dx. Pi by 2 is a constant, integration of 1 dx is x minus x square by 2 plus c. See the 22nd question. integration of 1 by cos x minus a into cos x minus b. For this problem, you multiply and divide with sin b minus a. Sir, why sin b minus a? You will understand now. So, because it is a constant, you don't have any change in the value when you multiply and divide. Cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. So, it becomes sin b minus a into sin b minus a can be written as sin x minus a minus x minus b by cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. Now it becomes 1 by sin b minus a, sin a minus b formula, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b by cos x minus a cos x minus b dx. Now when we split this by this, 1 by sin b minus a integration of sin x minus a cos x minus b by cos x minus a cos x minus b dx. Here these two gets cancelled, minus cos x minus a sin x minus b by cos x minus a cos x minus b dx. These two gets cancelled. Now 1 by sin b minus a outside, integration of tan x minus a minus tan x minus b dx. So we know integration of tan theta is log mod secant x minus a minus log mod secant x minus b plus c. You can write log a minus log b as log a by b also. Okay. Now see the 23rd. Integration of sin square x minus cos square x by sin square x into cos square x. Just split both of them. When you split this sin square x by sin square x into cos square x dx, it becomes cos square x by sin square x into cos square x dx. These two gets cancelled here, these two gets cancelled. Integration of secant square x dx minus integration of cosecant square x dx. It is tan x minus cot x plus c. Next one, 24. Integration of e power x into 1 plus x by cos square x e power x. Now here we take x e power x as t. When you differentiate, what happens? UV rule. X into e power x plus e power x into 1 dx is dt. That means e power x, if I take common x plus 1 dx, which is there in the numerator here, the whole numerator becomes dt, 1 dt. It becomes cos square t. So you can write as secant square t dt. So integration of secant square t is tan t plus c. What is t? Tan of x e power x plus c. Okay, all the best.